What is up everyone, this is y12s channel, and in this how to video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Wi-Fi not working or Wi-Fi connection problem in Vivo Y12, Y12a or y12s. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for my latest videos. So to fix Vivo Y12, Y12a or y12s Wi-Fi connection problem, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first of all just open settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.